Good morning. I've reviewed some of your proposals ahead of this meeting. I'm keen to hear how you intend to address the ongoing logistics issues and margin pressures we've been experiencing. Let's get right into the details.
Hi, David. First of all, thanks for your time. I just wanted to check if we still had the 15 minutes we previously discussed about. Is that correct?
Sure. 15 minutes. We'll see how it goes. But look, I'd like to drill down into the key issues. Logistics margins. Those are the priorities for us.
Yes, it makes total sense. Let's jump right into it. First of all, I wanted to check with you if you could enlighten me a little bit around the main challenges that you're facing in logistics specifically.
Right. Well, it's mainly about out of stocks and on time in full deliveries. Our order flow has been inconsistent, which disrupts shelf availability. It's affecting both customer experience and margins. Any thoughts?
Yes, before providing you my thoughts, I have some ideas around it. I just wanted to check with you which are your current KPIs, so how you're performing on our stocks, and which is your target.
All right. We aim for about 95% for OS and OTIF. Currently, we're struggling to reach even 85%. To be honest, hitting those targets has been a challenge. What's your take on addressing this?
Yes, I believe that we need a multifunctional approach around this. First of all, we could establish a set of internal rules in order to prioritize your shipments specifically, but also we'll need to exchange information regarding your performance and also understanding how we can achieve a collaborative agreement regarding out of stocks. What do you believe about that?
I mean, that sounds okay, but what does prioritizing shipments actually mean in practice? I need specifics like what internal rules are you envisioning? Without clear metrics, it's just words.
Yes, in the past we have experienced very good results in the case where clients have a specific inventory separated in our warehouse that we could ship to you, and we can have a security threshold for the inventory that we could apply to you. Is does that sound like a plan to you?
Huh? That's actually interesting. A dedicated inventory, huh? But how do you plan to manage that without increasing lead times or risking overstock? I'd need to see how it could fit into our current process.
Yeah, it makes total sense, and it's very important that you mention that you have those ideas in mind, because the reality is that we're struggling with having the correct information from your team in order to analyze the different performance and KPIs that we're pushing for in order to get the best out of stocks and OTIF targets. So, is it possible that your team can share the information regarding sales and your current stock so that we can analyze and achieve the better targets?
Information sharing, huh? All right. We could look into sharing sales and stock data, but it's got to be structured. If we go this route, I need clarity on how you'll use that data to drive the KPIs we've discussed. Nothing vague, please.
For sure, that's something that we need to discuss internally. But the reality is what I'm envisioning, and this is something that I have already discussed with the team, is to have a joint plan that encompasses different priorities. So I understand that out of stocks is your first priority, and also delivery timings. So that is of course a crucial part of the plan, and it needs to be tracked on an ongoing basis. So that's why I'm pushing for the full team, to have a scorecard that we can review every week, first of all, and then afterwards pushing it forward every month to get to these targets and achieve and ensure that we're on the same path. Is that something that could work for you?
A joint plan with a scorecard could actually be beneficial. Weekly reviews sound reasonable, but I'm still cautious. What kind of metrics would you propose tracking, and how do you envision the governance of this process? I want to avoid any ambiguous outcomes.